This is a detailed review of each Livayo feature. We're in the Analyze the Outcome screen, and we're looking at the accountability trend. So again, this is the Analyze the Outcome screen. And right here is the accountability trend. What this is showing you is it's showing you each day. So we can go back in time here. It's showing you each day. And here it says how many routine tasks were scheduled for today, for this one day right here, across the entire company. So this says that there were a little over 200 across all. We have 10 employees. Then it says the green is the tasks that the company got done. The red is the tasks that we're not doing. You notice it doesn't say it doesn't say not done. It says not doing because we chose not to, or there's some reason we couldn't, but we have a little more proactive way of talking about it, saying not doing. And then these mean that they're unaccounted for. So the white says do, but what it really means is they're unaccounted for. We have no idea. Someone could have just forgot to mark it. That is actually much worse than red. So we consider that green is just a little bit better than red. In fact, in the scoring process, it has a 2 for green and it has a 1 for red. So it's better to know what you didn't do than to not know at all. So when you think about examining your business and you use Livayo to go in and measure what's happening, what's not working well, why isn't our marketing performing? Why are we having problems with financial reporting? And you go look, and if everything is white, meaning there's no accountability, you have no idea what's going on. And no knowledge is the problem when it comes to evaluation. So that's why we say that it is better to mark red on everything. Of course, green is best, but it's better to mark red on everything than to not mark anything at all, because at least with red, you were accountable. So red means that you were at least accountable. You at least knew that it was supposed to be done. You at least knew it was there to do, but for whatever reason, it didn't get done. You didn't do it. So at least be accountable. At best, perform, which means the green. This blue line here is the percent. So you can see the scale over here is 0 to 100%. Here is the number. So this is the number of tasks. This is the percent. So we were nearly 100% accountable here. And again, we're measuring accountability, because our belief is that if you want to increase performance, increase accountability. So there is a saying out there that if you want to increase performance, increase the measurement of performance. Measurement is after performance. We're introducing the concept that says if you want to increase performance, first get accountability. First have people know what's expected. First have people mark whether or not they did it or not. Then measurement will be added to that. So here again, this is the percent of accountability. And we, of course, try to achieve 100% accountability every day. The reason why they dip down is because these weekends just have a few tasks. And if you miss one task, of course, it drops the percent, way down. Anyway, so what you'll also see is here the yellow. So if you go back and look at the video about the night switch, where you turn the night switch on, which means you can't go back the next day and account for tasks that you forgot to account for the previous day. If you turn that on, you'll notice that there are no yellows here. Here is when we turn the switch off, which meant you can actually leave tasks in yellow. When the night switch is on, you'll see that there are no yellows because it converts yellow, which means I plan to do this, or I'm in the process of doing this. It converts them to red. So unless you intentionally mark it green that I did this task, it converts all the yellows to red. That's why there aren't any yellows here. And then we turn the night switch off there, and so it marks them there. So that is the accountability trend.